Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Offer a variety of juices for mimosas. Orange juice, have 2x the amount of orange juice on hand than the other juices. Peach nectar or puree. Mango juice. Cranberry juice cocktail. Watermelon juice. Pomegranate juice. Pineapple juice. Strawberry puree.
Let's help you make your mark.
These Sunrise Moscato mimosas are made with a sparkling red Moscato and include a splash of cranberry for a festive bubbly brunch. Begin by pouring the orange juice into your glass. You should only fill the glass 1/3 of the way with the orange juice. Slowly pour the bubbly or sparkling red Moscato.
Take our lead.
The percent of alcohol in champagne is approximately 12.2%, which compares to 12.5% for red wine and 18.8% for dessert wine. In essence, drinking a 4-ounce glass of champagne is similar to drink a 4-ounce glass of wine. Remember that 1 shot of most liquors is equal to 1 4-ounce glass of wine. 31 March 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
Don't waste champagne on mimosas, says sommelier Stephen McDonald. Use a high-quality cava or prosecco like Naviran cava or Basal prosecco. The orange juice will cover up the nuance of the sparkling wine, but you'll be grateful for not choosing something that's going to cause a headache later in the afternoon. The 27th of July 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cold, fresh orange juice is best for mimosas. If you see any pulp floating around, strain the orange juice before chilling. Any member of the orange family will yield delicious juice for mimosas, from navel oranges to blood oranges to clementines.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.